DOWELL Laser has independently developed a laser tree cutting machine, making the danger zone extend only 500 meters away. High cutting efficiency, regular branches can be chopped to the ground within a few seconds. DOWELL Laser redefines the era of logging safety. Even for thick branches with a diameter of over 150 millimeters, they can be cut down in just a few minutes. The laser tree cutting machine is also a powerful tool for ensuring the appearance of cities by the forestry and urban management departments. And it is also a helper for ensuring the safe operation of the power department. DOWELL Laser tree felling machine, remote felling, safe and efficient.